Hey everyone, we are not too far from DevLearn. DevLearn is happening in November. It is one of my favorite conferences, one that I've helped out with in the past, one that I've spoken at for several years as well. I have a couple different things that I'm going to be doing at DevLearn. I have a pre-conference on the XAPI Accelerator. If you really want to understand your learning and how your learners are interacting with your learning, you would definitely want to check out the XAPI Accelerator. After that, so that happens on Monday, but after that, we're going to go right into the Storyline Summit. The Storyline Summit is something that I've curated myself to be able to take sessions from Storyline experts, and it's designed really to help you go beyond just basic skills of Storyline. I wanted sessions that help you go beyond the basics, and so that is something to check out as well. But one of the cool things about DevLearn is something that they just released called Learning Pathways. So if you go to devlearn.com and you hover over conferences, this is where you can get information about the full agenda, conference tracks as well, speakers, pre-conference learning, things that are happening before like the Storyline Summit or the XAPI Accelerator. But this is a new feature, something that they haven't done in years past, and that is Learning Pathways. Learning Pathways take all of the different sections and try to curate it into whatever you might be interested in. So here we have things like learning developments for executives. DevLearn has always historically catered towards developers, but it's not just for developers, it's for executives, it's for learning managers, other things like that. So really that's the key of these learning pathways, is it helps you identify the different sessions. There are so many, you're not going to go to every session. This is why it's also helpful to go as a team, but it is helpful for you to be able to identify. Instead of having to read through every single session, these are curated pathways. So we have learning and development executives, we have learning and development manager and director. And so it will give you a list of different sessions, both pre-conference and during the conference, that you may want to check out that may be aligned to this pathway. So instructional designers, there's a lot with instructional designers. No AI, no problem. Find success with limited tools and resources. So learning experience designer, there's a bunch of things like BYOD, which is bring your own laptops, getting started with accessibility features in Storyline. The e-learning developer, so the Storyline Summit, like I mentioned, or choose your own adventure, build and launch interactive scenario learning, troubleshoot SCORM like a pro. These are things that will help you as an instructional designer, you as a learning experience designer as well, or even HR. So if you're in HR, there's some tracks for you there as well. So data-driven learning design. It's important as an HR representative to be able to understand the data. So this session could help you with that kind of thing. If you're a project manager over learning content, this could be helpful for you too. Some of the tools that will help you with project management. So learning and development consultants, AI learning designer. No matter where you're at with the learning and development field, these are curated pathways for your specific roles. There are sessions for whatever role or area that you're over. And so I wanted to point that out there and really show you how you could take advantage of these learning pathways. Once the learning app becomes available, you can then go into these different sessions and you can put them onto your calendar. That way it alerts you and reminds you of that session. Now here's a tip as well, is what I will do typically is I will go through and mark several sessions within that block, that hour. So there may be one that I want to check out or another one at the same time that I want to check out. The reason why I add both of those, all the ones that I might want to check out, is because in the moment, I may be feeling one way compared to another way. So in the moment, I get alerted for this session and this session. And depending on what I learned in the last block, I may be like, I learned something about that. I may want to check out this a little bit more too. And so it helps remind me of the different ones that I was interested in, and I can choose in the moment which one to attend at that time. So hopefully that has been helpful for you. If you want to check out more tutorials or you want to check out more information about my XAPI Accelerator, you can check out the video here. You can also go to my website at learningdojo.ninja. Here I have various apps like Dream Crusher, Checklist, tasks as well. I have courses covering everything from A to Z in Articulate Storyline 360, JavaScript and Storyline, XAPI Fundamentals, Articulate Rise, Custom SCORM as well. I post a weekly blog post that you can check out, and you can see all my previous blog posts, and then you can download free templates. I hope to see you at DevLearn in November at the MGM Grand in Las Vegas. Thanks everyone, I'll see you next time.